The day of the first test drilling. The long-anticipated day has arrived. The first test drilling begins. A specialized drilling rig has been brought on site, prepared to drill down to a depth of 40 meters. The plan is to install a metal casing pipe to prevent the walls of the hole from collapsing. Once this foundational work is complete, we'll bring in advanced machinery capable of drilling 2 to 3 kilometers deep to reach the oil reservoir. As the drilling progresses, we notice the edges of the hole crumbling. An excavator steps in to assist, clearing away excess soil and maintaining the stability of the site. It's a complex process, and the initial drilling takes an entire day to complete.
Começamos a furo. O primeiro furo já está pronto. Vamos começar a plantar nosso tubo.
With the first hole successfully drilled, our next task is crucial: positioning the metal pipe perfectly straight, without even a single degree of deviation.
Por cima.
A precise vertical alignment at 90 degrees is essential for the integrity of the main borehole. The drilling rig is utilized again, this time to lift and carefully place the casing into the hole. To further stabilize the walls, we will pour concrete around the casing, creating a robust foundation.
Levanta, levanta. 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 Agora. Yeah. Só. Anda. Só andar. Só andar. Olha, levanta essa pata. Foto aqui vídeo.
Faz, é igual. Outra foi na bateria, foi pro caralho.
frente. Mais para frente.
Volta um pouco pra lá. Tá aqui.
Sim. Já caminhava. Agora senta aqui, vamos fazer aqui amanhã. Depois, se vieres logo de manhã, ainda pode vir. Amanhã já vai a caminho. Só descer. Vai, senhor, vai. Mangueira,
Once this stage is complete, the main drilling rig will be brought in to drill the deep well in search of oil. To be continued.